Have you ever wanted to engage with how the world works around you? Think you can change the world but not sure where to start? Do you find yourself lacking role models in the scientific field? You have nobody to look up to. Throughout this video, we will become more exposed to how we can venture into science, get introduced to some of the most powerful women in science, and learn about the endless opportunities and careers available to young females who want to make an impact on the world around them. The journey to becoming a scientist doesn't have to be a straight path, and usually is a journey that has many twists and turns. The journey has many different routes. You could decide to go to college and specialise in a specific field, for example, biology, chemistry or physics, or you could do an internship with a researcher, or you could start your own research and learn from mistakes. After all, being a scientist will require trial and error. Mckinley is an inventor and scientist. Still only 20 years old, she is powering her way through science. Her accomplishments have earned her prizes, and she continues to work with others, speaking at events and motivating people of all ages. She continues to work on her projects with passion, also with the goal of assisting society and improving the lives of people who are in need. Have a listen to what Mckinley thinks about STEM: science, technology, engineering and maths. In my opinion, create the fundamentals of life. It is a rapidly increasing field, and now more than ever is the best time to be involved. We are living in the information age, a time where we have grown up with the world at our fingertips, and now the only constant thing is change. Soon people will be looking toward the innovators and pioneers to provide answers to major global issues. Whether this be global warming or curing diseases, we are going to become dependent on STEM for the advancement and betterment of our society. So I encourage all, no matter their age, to become pioneers in their own field, break new ground, create a new path in which others can follow to help humanity. One woman who is a brilliant example of women in STEM is Nora Patton. Nora is aiming to become Ireland's first female astronaut. After a trip to the USA when she was 11, her and her family visited NASA. It was at this stage that Nora fell in love with space. She set herself a goal to become an astronaut and is very close to achieving it. The career opportunities are endless. You could work in the sports, food, health and education sectors, all requiring some kind of scientist. As you can see, women have made a career through science, and by doing so have also shaped the way we see the world today. You don't have to work in a lab, wear a white coat and glasses to become a scientist. It's a very widespread career. So you can choose what path you would like to travel to reach your career choice. So now, what's stopping you? You've done a great job learning about the different women in science and career paths. To explore these in greater detail, be sure to check out the STEAMY Wonders website or click on the QR codes in the interactive infographics. We have digital breakouts and quizzes to test your knowledge. Best of luck!